Understanding the phrase, "You're too kind," a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and polite expression in English. You're too kind. Understanding this phrase is crucial for both speaking and comprehending English in social contexts. Let's dive in and find out what it really means and how you can use it effectively. You're too kind is a phrase used to express gratitude and appreciation. Literally, it means that someone is being very kind, perhaps even more kind than necessary. However, in English, this phrase often carries more nuanced meanings depending on the context. It's a way of acknowledging someone's kindness or compliment in a humble and polite manner. Compliments. When someone gives you a compliment, saying, "You're too kind," is a modest way of accepting it without appearing arrogant. For example, if someone says, "You did a fantastic job on your presentation," responding with, "You're too kind," is a polite acknowledgement. Acts of kindness. This phrase is also used when someone does something nice for you. If a colleague helps you with a project, you might say, "You're too kind," to show your appreciation. Sarcasm. Sometimes, "You're too kind," is used sarcastically. If someone does something that is not really kind but is pretending to be, you might use this phrase in a sarcastic tone. However, this usage is less common and can be tricky to navigate for non-native speakers. Understanding the cultural context is essential. In English-speaking cultures, modesty and humility are often valued, and "you're too kind" fits perfectly into this ethos. It shows that you are gracious and do not take compliments or acts of kindness for granted. Let's look at some examples. 1. After receiving a gift. "This is wonderful." "Thank you. You're too kind." 2. Following a compliment on skills. "I'm glad you liked my work. You're too kind." 3. When offered help. "You really didn't have to help me with this. You're too kind." I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, "You're too kind," confidently in your conversations. Remember, it's all about expressing gratitude and humility. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using it like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.